Hello everyone, welcome to this installation video of this particular Bamworld product. Let's cut it open and see what's inside. Okay, fantastic. Right, here we have our instruction manual, very handy. We have all our connectors conveniently in one bag. We have our gloves that we will need, a mallet, and a set of short uprights. Let's just put them there. Some partition shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another short upright. Medium length uprights. More partition shelves. Here we have our remaining medium length uprights. More partition shelves. And here we have our long uprights and the last partition shelf. All right, fantastic. Let's begin. All right, first things first, let's put on our gloves, because these products are carbonized at 300 degrees Celsius, which means if you do not wear gloves, you tend to get, your hands tend to get a little black. So very thoughtful of them to put in a nice set of gloves. All right, first things first, let's do all the connectors. So here I have a big bag of connectors, and we're gonna do 16 of the first set. So as you can see, we have 2 sets of connectors. Here's the standard one. And here is a center connector. So first things first, we're going to use these and create 16 sets. So, all right, so let's grab our mallets and get started. Press them in, like so. And use the mallet to hammer them in place. Please make sure that these open ends face the same direction and point upwards. All right, please ensure that you have 16 of these pieces. And again, I will say this again, make sure that these ends always point up and the same direction. All right. Now, for our next part, you'll see that you have this particular center connector. And what we are going to do is we're just going to make one of these. So just connect them on each side. Again, with the other connectors, make sure that these ends point upwards as well. We have them into place, and conveniently, we have some spare parts that they send in the box as well, should you lose any. All right, on to the next step. All right, first things first, we are going to make the base of our little flower stand. So first things first, we take the center connector, which is this one, and we will put it in the middle. So hammer this one into place and take another partition shelf and add it on the top. Let's hammer this one into place. So, like so. Make sure the grooves are always facing the same direction as these little medium uprights, and we are going to connect 2 on either side. Always make sure that the holes face upwards. So, let's get started. Connect this one. And now we connect one to the other side. And again, make sure that the holes always face upwards and in the same direction. There we go, and this is the base, and we're going to take it from there and build up. All right, fantastic. All right, now we're going to create the other 7 partition shelves. Very simply, just take 2 of these and connect them on either side of the partition shelf. And again, as with the base, make sure that all the holes in the connectors point upwards and in the same direction. So let's get started. We'll bang them into place. If they don't fit properly, just hit harder with your mallet. All right, here we go. That's one. Oh, goodness me. Let's bring it into place. Oh, there we go. So. Right, I shall say this again. Make sure that the partition shelf this side is always facing upwards, and again, the connectors, the holes in the connectors point upwards as well. So, this side. Also, bang them in nicely with the mallet, because sometimes a product will not fit properly, and if it doesn't fit properly, it's usually because the connectors aren't properly fashioned into place. So, make sure that everything fits properly, and this is what your partition shelf should look like. All the holes facing upwards, like so, and this part of the shelf should be the top part. Ooh. And last one, yay! Alright, there's our partition shelves done. Now, we need to know this picture, this one right here, and we're just going to assemble it in the same fashion as stated in the picture. Number 2, they are the short uprights. Number 4 are the long uprights, and we're just going to assemble them in ascending fashion. So first things first, we're going to take our base, and on our base, we're going to add 2 short uprights here, 2 short uprights in the middle, and a long upright on this side. So let's get started. 4 of these, and let's hammer them into place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on this side, we can hammer in our long uprights. Alright, now second step would be to take our partition shelf and put it in here. Alright, please make sure the grooves align all along as you build up, otherwise it's just going to look a little bit irregular. So let's hammer this partition shelf into place, like so. Relatively easy when we have our partition shelves already assembled. Alright, now we're going to go to the next level. We're going to take our 2 short uprights and hammer them into the middle and add our next partition shelf here. And it's going to look like a staircase, little staircase going up. There we go. Fit nicely. Hammer it into place, like so. And alternating with our long uprights on either side, we're going to build our levels as we go along. So let's do our long uprights on this side. And again, our short uprights in the middle. The short ones will always go in the middle. And let's build our next level. Again, make sure the grooves of the partition shelves, they go in the same direction, always. Like so. Alright, now, again, short uprights in the middle. Long uprights, let's got 2 here. On the side. And let's build our next step. Next partition shelf goes on. Just another quick tip, if your stand is a little bit wobbly, chances are it's just not hammered well into place, so should it be a little bit wobbly, just give it a nice few taps with your mallet and it shouldn't be wobbly at all. Alright, now on to our next side. Again, the long uprights go on the side, short uprights go in the middle. 4 spacers, number 4 uprights, again on the side. Number 2 uprights, short uprights go in the middle, like so. Then another partition shelf goes on top. And our last partition shelf goes on top. As with most products that they send out, there is an extra part, extra spare for every single piece that you receive in the box. So here we have an extra long upright, a medium, and a short upright, and the connector. And this is the end result. So don't forget, make sure all the partition shelves face the same direction. Long uprights go on the outside, short uprights go in the middle, and you have this nice staircase cascading effect for your pots and plants.